Hello traders, welcome to marketaddiction.net. Today is Sunday, March 15th, 2009. This video is for Monday, March 16th. Last Friday we had a choppy day in the markets. The Dow was up almost 54 points, the Nasdaq was up 5 points, the S&P 500 was up almost 6 points. Starting off with the daily chart of the S&P 500, you can see that the long-term trend is still down. We have this declining 50-day moving average. We have the 10-day below the 20-day, below the 50-day. We did get back above this level of resistance in here, but that still doesn't change the overall picture. This is still just a bounce in a bear market, at least as of now. Zoomed into the 60-minute chart, you can see that we did get above this 5-day moving average, which is inclining. So intermediate term and short term, it's still too early to enter some short positions until this market starts to roll over a little bit more. But it's also looking a little bit extended here on the upside to enter any new longs. If you draw some Fibonacci from the most recent sell-off we had, we've come up between this 50% and 38% retracement. So this could be an area where we start to stall out a little bit. For a bullish scenario, I like to say, is pull down to this 5-day moving average, get a bounce off of it, and then push up higher. That area needs to hold. If we get a break back below that and it starts to turn back over and flatten out, then we could look for another leg on the downside on the daily chart. I do have some good setups on my watch list as far as individual stocks. If you've been following my blog, I haven't been too active last week because basically I've been waiting on this to either pull back and then gain some more strength for a push higher, or for it to roll back over in the direction of the primary trend. I do have some stocks that are looks like they're ready to move in either direction. I have the first one on my list is IOC. I might have mentioned this one before, but this one is still looking like a good setup to the long side. We have this higher high in here, or higher high, higher low. The 50-day moving average is inclining. We have the 10-day above the 20-day, above the 50-day. Zoomed into the 60-minute chart, you can see that we have this higher low in here. The 5-day moving average is now starting to point up, and it looks like it held as support. We have this resistance level above us, and this is what I'll be looking to, or looking at for a break above for an entry on the long side. If we get a break above here, as this chart is right now, my target would be up around this level, which would be the, we'll say 24.25, and my stop would be right below this most recent higher low we have in here, right around this 2011. Now those levels aren't exact. If I do enter these positions, or this position, I will post it on my blog with the exact levels. But those are just areas that I'm looking for now. And another stock on my list, we'll look at SQM. This is a call on the short side. We have this one looking like it's starting to roll over. We have this 50-day moving average that's flattened out. It came back up, hit it from the bottom side, and acted as resistance. Looking at the 60-minute chart, you can see that we've had these lower highs in here for a while. We had a little bit of retracement last week. Nothing too major. It's didn't really bounce up as far as the overall market did. I'd be careful with this one though as of right now, because the 5-day moving average is still pointing up, but I think if we get a break below it and a break below this support level here, this previous low, I think we could get some more selling. I'll be watching it closely for a break of this level, maybe a break and a pull back up, and maybe by that time the 5-day moving average will be flattened out. Then it'll act as resistance, and then we can see a further leg down. If I would enter this position anytime soon, my stop would be right above this level, as it is now. Looking on the daily chart, as far as profit target, I think we could see any one of these levels in here down around this $19 level. So this one could give us a pretty good move to the downside. Another stock on my list is CNL. Stock has had a pretty big sell-off in here. A little bit of a bounce back up, some consolidation. 50-day moving average is pointing down. Looking at the 60-minute chart, you can see that we've had this sideways action in here. This area right in here has been a big support level, and it's already been tested 3 times, and we have these lower highs and a 5-day moving average that is declining. I think if we get back down to this level, this 1970 level, and break through here, we could see a push further down, at least back down to this level. So this could be a pretty good trade on the short side if this market does have another leg down. If you want to see the rest of the stocks on my watch list, be sure to check out my website at marketaddiction.net. If you're just watching this video on YouTube, be sure to check out the links on the sides. Stop back and have a great day.